first thing abazoyisho bazothi kuthwele ngoba vele samuzwana nobani nokhehlela. So njengamanje too much obsessed with social media. You have time. You worry about abantu abahlala be-live ko-TikTok. Basebenza nini? You worry inyanga. I'm worried about inyanga ehlala live ku-TikTok. Kanti basebenza nini abantu? Kanti zila nini ukudla? Kuthiwa namhlanje zilile yona isehlathini iyathandaza. Kanti imba nini imithi? Ihamba nini iyofuna ihlanganisa imithi nini? Umuntu ohlala ekuseni live emini live. TikTok is here to destroy us. TikTok is abantu China or you will never see each China umntwana we-China. Tell me premise. Wawambona umntwana we-China alive. Ngikhuluma ngomntwana maybe 18 years or 20 years. Never. Ama-China what they are advertising on TikTok, but advertising imisebenzi yezandla. Imishini yabo, they use for that. Kwamanye ama-countries, TikTok is not allowed. Thina ngapha sibuyeza wa-introduce wakithi. Sasuzela destroyana sodwa. Umlungu uhlakaniphile wasinika i-platform. What there is a platform, it is easy to trend, easy at any time. So abantu abamnyama bathi befika ngala siyaqedana bayadubulana abantu ngo-TikTok. Asina secret sabantu abamnyama iphelile into i-secret. Asinayo imfihlo. Do you know into esize ukuthi abantu benze ku-live besendlini ekamereni because sengake ngambona omnye enza u-TikTok ese-toilet. I'm telling you, ihlazo leyo nto bathi bayakwenza. You know what? Ubaba omdala, ubaba umuntu omkhulu lo. Umuntu olenza lezi zinto kuthiwa i-trend. Kunezinye izinto ongasafanele uzenze ngoba usuya lokhu sekwaba abantwana bami lokhu ofanele bekwenze. Lokhu akusekile. So, yinto engizama ukuyitshela abantu ukuthi i-TikTok they must be very, very careful. Destroy. In terms of issue, we must focus. Let's use TikTok wisely. The first thing that I will tell you no one ever will be the president. So TikTok how? Yes. I'm telling you.
Go to your phone and you know Facebook, no Twitter.
Yes. You have fun, but TikTok and also destroy on Facebook, ngoba uzwela edinga angazi le demon engene but ngayenza prophecy no TikTok ngayenza prophecy ngeApple iphone ngayenza iTikTok ukuthi kwenzakaleni no TikTok demon. Do you know what you can be live the whole night ungafika lapho but you can't do that on Facebook? Why? Because the accounts are secret enziwe TikTok. Wangena TikTok waqala wangena understand ikhanda labantu bangathi uyahlala.
Yeah, now shall all wait on I'm sure you're strong. Someone do it. Shall what you want.
Do you know that Ukeshelezi hires people
asidluleke kuleyo kodwa no.
I wanted to say that. I wanted to say no comment. I cannot comment on that. Actually, don't argue with the fool because you end up being a fool.
Yeah.
So let's not talk about these ones. Let's move on.
But the case is still open and it's